Hi, it's Grant Abbott, and here is an interesting story. I recently came across two young ladies, and they were in their 20s, and their mother had a discretionary trust. Unbeknownst to both of them, who were both working, had their own small businesses, they were suddenly inundated with a large tax debt. They had no idea where it came from, had to pay BAS, the whole works, and they came to me and I said, what has happened is your mother has distributed income down to you, hasn't told you about it, and then you're left with a tax debt. So this is a common practice from a tax perspective from most discretionary trusts. Again, it's good for tax, 1 out of 10. Even that, in fact, it's a -1 out of 10 in terms of family wealth protection. So what's happened is taxable income has been distributed to the children. The children aren't aware, but they have to pick up the tax liability. Now, the sting in the tail is, one, they've got to pay the tax, so obviously the mum's going to pay the tax and interest and penalties, but the sting in the tail is the children aren't aware that the trust is distributed to them. So sitting on the balance sheet of the trust is this large liability to them. It's called an unpaid present entitlement, which they've got full entitlement to go under the law of equity to go and say, hey, mum, you owe me this full amount, and then she's got no leg to stand on. From a family wealth protection point of view, you need to really sort these things out. Come and see me, Grant at grantabbott.com, but just watch out. Tax is good, family wealth protection is much better.